Finesse Mo. Cast Iron Wednesday. Just so happens I have to make some venison Sufriet. I'm going to be out in the cold this weekend. Make it up ahead of time. So, let me show it to you, man. Yeah, put some whole garlic in there, peppers. Cut the venison up. Oregano. Pepper, spices. Cut up some onions. I don't know if this knife is any good. Yeah, pretty good. I'm going to throw sauce in there. That's going to be the main component. But, yeah, a little cast iron ditty here, man. Throw some fresh tomatoes in there. Some onions. Onion. Whatever. But, had a nice venison heart. We're going to be out this weekend. It's going to be extremely cold. I'm going to have some nice Portuguese rolls. I'm going to heat this up. And I don't know if I'll just keep it in the pot or not. It won't be long I'll be out there. It's going to be extremely cold. But, yeah, so I'm just going to dump all that in there, cook this down a little bit. Then I'm going to add the sauce. And I'm going to let it simmer. But, pot's doing good. I'll turn it up a little bit. But, yeah, this is being done inside. It's going to be eaten outside. It's going to be cold as a banshee's buttocks in Belfast. But we're going out there, and we'll be in a hot tent, and we're going to be eating some of this. And we're also going to have some quail. Cook them over the fire. That's going to be nice. So, got that. But, yeah, I'm cooking this up. And it's cooking down nice. And I'll put it in the sauce. Oh, gotta add some wine, man. Add a little red wine to it. For a little flavor, man. But, oh yeah, she's cooking down nice. I'm going to turn it up a little bit again. Seared up the venison heart, cut it up. Now I'm going to sit down and have breakfast with my homemade yogurt. But, yeah, man, this is nothing fancy. Cast Iron Wednesday. I'll get back to you. I'll add the sauce. Not sure what sauce I'll add. There's some in the freezer that my wife made too, but I'll get back to you. It's good stuff, man. But yeah, we're going to be out there. And add some Victoria marinara. I'm going to cook this down. Oh yeah. Most of y'all guys out there, we'll have a couple people, a couple women that come and visit the camp. They'll be down in the cabin, we'll be in our tents, and they'll come up and see us. So, yeah, I'm going to let this simmer. I think this is going to be good. I may just leave it in this pan, and I can just, don't have to worry about refrigeration this week. Everything will freeze. But yeah, man, I'm gonna cook this down. Got stuff in there. Again, nothing fancy. But I got my friend here. You see my friend, Maggie. Yeah, she's a good pup. Maggie's a good girl. That's old Maggie, man. Yeah, she's my baby. Oh yeah. Mag. Take a look here, man. Yeah, she's a good pup. Oh, they got Maeve too. Maeve is jealous. Yeah. Oh yeah. So man, this is Cast Iron Wednesday. And it is Wednesday. Didn't plan on doing this. I planned on cooking. I figured it's in cast iron, I might as well do it. I'll probably heat this up over the fire in cast iron or my wood stove in my hot tent. So this is Queen the Eskimo. It's early in the morning. Thank God for another day. Feeling good. I'm gonna get out there and we're gonna go to Frozen Toe. We got about we'll have at least 6 inches on the ground. We haven't had much snow this year. Where I'm going this time, and maybe another 3 on top of that. We'll see. But we always have a good time, and we'll be eating good, man. So, you guys take care.